Hello everybody, welcome to A Joyful Tutor. My name is Tressa, and in this video I'm going to give you 6 ingredients that you're going to need to buy specifically to make do-it-yourself air dry clay. The first ingredient you're going to need to buy is white glue. I use Elmer's Glue All glue. Product you do not want to use is Elmer's washable school glue or any kind of washable school glue because it does not work for this product that you're going to make. Second ingredient you want to buy is cornstarch or corn flour. You do not want to use cornmeal. Cornmeal will not work. Cornmeal you make bread with. Corn flour is a thickener. Cornstarch is a thickener. Third ingredient you need mineral oil or baby oil. And preferably use baby oil without scent. Fourth ingredient you need is white acrylic matte craft paint. Comes in a bottle. The fifth ingredient you're going to need lemon juice concentrate. And the sixth ingredient you'll need to buy is, dry face cream. And you can use Pond's dry face cream from, the local drugstore or the name brand Equate from Walmart. So guys, I'm going to show you the list of ingredients that you're going to need to buy at the grocery store or wherever. First you're going to need Elmer's Glue All glue, cornstarch or corn flour, mineral oil or baby oil, white acrylic matte craft paint, lemon juice concentrate, and finally dry face cream like Pond's or Equate. So please like my video and subscribe to my channel because, I like to be liked. Thank you. Have a good day.